Frozen community, thank you for your support on our latest video. Before we begin, we want to remind you that our pre-order session is about to an end. So if you're still debating whether to get this printer, this video will show you why you should pre-order now. As the leading brand of ultra-high resolution 8K printers, Frozen has created various printers with different specifications for all your needs. Here we have Sonic Mega 8K, Sonic Mighty 8K, and Sonic Mini 8K. Sonic Mega 8K is the largest 8K printer with a 40cm Z-axis, allowing you to print enormous models with ease. Sonic Mini 8K is the first and only 3D printer to create mind-blowing details at 22 micrometers, printing incredibly realistic textures, pores, and wrinkles, making it everyone's first option to print miniatures, jewelry, head carving, and more. Sonic Mighty 8K also has the ultra-high 8K resolution, very close to Sonic Mini 8K at 28 micrometers. Yet, the printing size is more than doubled, making medium-sized models printing more efficient. In the previous video, we showed the printing process of this model. Just in case you haven't seen it, you're welcome to check the info box or the description down below. Today, we'll share with you how our Sonic Mighty 8K can better improve the printing efficiency comparing to our Sonic Mini 8K. Today, we'll use Basilisk from Lord of the Print to demonstrate. As shown in the last video, this model came out in 3 prints. One for its base, one for his main body, and we can print the remaining components all together in the last one. Here, we can see how these exact models that were printed by Sonic Mighty 8K fit in Sonic Mini 8K. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! It will take 3 times just to print the components. For a large component like this, if you want to use Sonic Mini 8K to print, you will have to divide them into a lot of smaller pieces, and it will take way longer to print. To conclude, although Sonic Mighty 8K's resolution is not as high as Sonic Mini 8K, it still provides excellent enough results for all it prints. On top of that, a larger printing volume can quickly increase the printing efficiency. Make sure to choose the printer that best fits your needs. Last but not least, just a general reminder that our Sonic Mighty 8K pre-order sessions is about to end. Don't miss out on this goodbye. Make sure to check the link below and pre-order now. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section down below, and we'll get back to you ASAP. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.